Saturday, May 18th, Rat Patrol over here. May 18th, 2024. And man, is it hot out today. I thought it was hot last weekend with that solar flare. They predicted today it was going to be 100 by 9 a.m. It's about 3 p.m. now, 3 in the afternoon. And yeah, the other day I was shooting temperatures out here with my zapper, my laser detector, and it was 142, and I thought that was pretty damn hot. 159. This is consistent. All 156, 158, 159, 154. Come over here in the shadow, and it's going to be about 20 degrees, 17 degrees cooler, 133. So that's cooler. This over here is where I was going to move my stuff to from over here. And this is in the shade over here now, but it's 109. 109 at 3 in the afternoon. 123 over here with a little bit of sun. I mean, it's just unbelievable. Even all this stuff I've got over here in the shade. 101, 98. That's pretty cool. What the 98 in the shade here. 97 in the shade. That's really cool. 93. That's super cool. This really cools off. Well, we got a little breeze through here, so, and I watered them this morning, so they're perspiring or transpiring that water and cooling everything off a little bit. Over here, everything's about the same, about 98, 95 to 98. Ooh, 92. What happened? Oh, you got a breeze coming through here now. 94, 94. He should be about the same because we got the 91. That's a really low reading. 93, 92. So yeah, really super hot day out today. I got this one bent over with that copper wire holding it down so that we get some side branching without having to cut the top off. We'll see how that works. But yeah, everything looking a lot better over here in the shade now. A little bit cooler, not so bleached out and yellow, pale looking. Getting some shiny leaves, some new growth going. That's a red Primatali. Oh, my one over here with the tail. We got to take a look at this. Where'd it go? My chocolate reaper with the longest tail. I've always wanted to grow some with tails like that. And yeah, I finally got one. Big long tail, and then there's a little shorter tail on this one next door to it. You got a little squiggly tail down there on that one. That's a bumpy looking pepper. All of these are really gnarly. This one over, this is a Trinidad scorpion over here. Look at the bump on that. It's got like this big knob, like a stuff growing up. Isn't that wild looking? Look at the texture on that thing. Look at the color. Unbelievable. And then my other tiny tail chocolate reaper over here. Got little tails on those, but I like that long squiggly tail on that one over there. And the bad news is, even with all this heat, I don't think we're going to get any rain today. I mean, it should, after it spikes up over 100 degrees, we should start getting some rain. The convection heat raises enough moisture high enough so that we will get thunderstorms, but I don't think we're quite to that point yet. It's going to have to get up a little hotter than this even. But yeah, the rat killer over. She got 2 rats 2 days in a row. You going to go 3 for 3, girlie? You got your eyes open, don't you? She's looking for them rats now. It's Florida. You got a lot of rats. What can I say? But yeah, standing right here. Usually you're standing here going, oh yeah, it's like 10 degrees cooler here than it is everywhere else. Again, I don't have quite as much leaf. I'm kind of losing my canopy instead of gaining it like I should be. I thought I would have a whole bunch of new shoots coming this year by now. We don't have any. Oh yeah, let's go look at I left a drip on this the other day trying to get this. Nah, I think this one's going to die. I'm pretty sure if it's not already dead, it's going to die. It hasn't grown at all in the last few days. There's a little fern or a vine trying to grow in there. We don't need those vines. But yeah, I don't think that's going to grow. I think it's already dead maybe. I shouldn't push on it too much, but... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Holy smokes! There's a, oh my God, I got 2 shoots. Oh man, I didn't even see those. That's the way it goes. You think you're looking for a little tiny shoot, and then there's one a foot tall, and that one's about 16, 18. Maybe leaving that hose dripping the other day on these did some good, but wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. There's one, and there's another one too. So I got first 2 shoots of the year. Wow, let me see if I can come over here and get a shot of them. Yeah, there they are. First 2 shoots of the year on this asper. Wow. Wow, I'm excited now. Phew. Man, it's hot out here. Oh, I can't believe I got 2 shoots coming up. Man, I wish I had some somewhere else. Now, those would probably get about 25 feet tall, maybe. They're pretty good size diameter. If we got some more water, they'd get 25 feet anyways. I don't know if they're going to make it or not. Hopefully they will. I think that little one in the front is not going to make it. And I'm trying to get some more dirt going. I broke open a coconut today. It had some milk still in there, or some coconut milk still in there, but it was all like real thick, and yeah, you don't want to, it kind of smells funny. You don't want to put your fingers in that too much, but the worms really love it. Worms will get in there and really compost the heck out of that thing. But I'm really low on coconuts. If anybody knows where I can get some coconuts in the Englewood, Port Charlotte area, please let me know. I'll take all I can get. Need like 100 or a couple hundred maybe. Be great. Oh, these volunteers are looking a little dry. They're getting cooked out. I got to get some water on those. Man, when it's this hot, everything, even though it's in the shade now, it's still using as much water. I mean, it's using a little bit less, I think, but man, they need a lot of water in this kind of heat. And yeah, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, these are still getting quite a bit of sun. There's like maybe 50% shade blocking up here. And again, this is my shriveling up bamboo. There's looking up towards the sun. So yeah, but if I hadn't moved everything over here by this hedgerow, it would be pretty much dead by now, I'm pretty sure. It'd be roasted. It's roasted right here. And let's shoot some temperatures on this. See how hot that pepper's 98 degrees. This pepper's 98 degrees. That pepper's 100 degrees. 98. Yeah, not doing too bad over here actually. But yeah, it's still it's blazing hot. 105. Blazing hot. Here, let's see how hot my best plant is. It's 100, 99, 104, 97 down in the dirt. Hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah, somebody saw my video the other day and commented, "Oh, you not from Florida?" You know, assuming that I'm not from Florida and I haven't been here very long. I haven't gardened before. No, I just made a stupid mistake and thought that I had a good enough spot, and it's a new spot, so I wasn't really too sure about it. And then the temperature spiked up so high that it was not a good spot anymore, and I had to go full shade. And they're like, "Oh, we can grow full sun in South Florida. You ain't from Florida." It's like, no, I've been here 50 years, pal. People like to call you pal a lot, so bro, and pal, I suppose, to be good. What pronouns? Bro, pal. Yeah, just call everybody pal. There's no miss or misses. Hey, pal. How's that for a pronoun? It's nice. Personally, I identify as a helicopter, so you should refer to me as Chopper19. Oh wait, I gotta get all these peppers out here. I picked these the other day, and they're kind of a little overripe, and that's okay because I'm gonna harvest seeds out of those. But I gotta get these picked up. Oh man, it's hot. That's enough for me. Cut.